On this video, I'll be changing the battery on the key. It'll be from a 2015 Honda Civic. If your key looks like this, then the procedure should be the same. The first thing I'm gonna do is remove that screw. I'm gonna use this Phillips screwdriver. The size there, it says 5/64. I don't know if this is accurate or not. I don't know if the information is correct, but it's saying 5/64. If I remember correctly, I got these at either Dollar Tree or 99-cent store. Maybe like 15-20 years ago. So these are not expensive. It's a small screw, so you gotta be careful not to lose it. If you look on the side of the key, there's a dent right there. You gotta get a screwdriver like this, put it on the dent, and then turn it. Pop it open. I'm gonna turn the lights on for the camera. If you look there, it looks like there's an arrow pointing. Looks like that's an arrow pointing towards the battery. Put the screwdriver here and pop the battery open. And there's a positive sign there. On the old battery, it says CR1620. This is the old battery. And then the new battery, I made sure I got CR1620 also. And then the positive sign right there, I'll be facing the positive sign there when I put this new battery on. And then I'm gonna put the screw back on. I'm gonna just drop it. When you put the screw back on, you wanna be careful not to strip it. This battery, I got it from Amazon.